How do I set service cost calculation type? To start, we will navigate to the System area in the Encore menu. Click on the Service/Product tab. Here, you are able to set which method you would like Encore to use when calculating the service cost. This is the cost that the business incurs each time the service is performed. This is important for accurately calculating profit on reports. Under Cost Calculation, you will need to select which method you want Encore to use when calculating the service cost. If you set the cost calculation to Shop Cost, the cost field in the Services screen will be used to determine the net service profit. You can set up this field under the Services menu option on each service in the system. Click Add New and find Shop Cost near the bottom of the page. The shop cost can be an amount or percentage recorded per service here. Go back to the Service Cost Calculation area. The next option is Professional Details. This will use the value of any professional products that are assigned to the service to determine net service sales profit. This method is useful to track professional product usage when services are performed. You can find the Professional Product Usage area under the Services menu option. Click Add New and click the Product Usage tab. This area allows you to assign professional products to be automatically used when a service is performed and specify the amount used each time. Encore will then calculate the cost based on how much product is used. You can also add or edit the professional product usage on an invoice when checking a client out if the products used are different each time the service is performed. An example of this would be color services. There may be different amounts or different products used depending on the client. Navigate back to the Service Cost Calculation area. The last option is All of the Above. This will combine both the cost field in the Services screen and the value of any professional products assigned to determine service sales profit. Under Foreign Exchange Rate on purchase orders, you can enter the exchange rate on the most common type of foreign currency that you use when purchasing products. If you don't purchase products using foreign currency, this field is not important. Once you have this area set up to your liking, click the Save button. We have now finished setting service cost calculation type. Thanks for watching.